Welcome! If you're looking to turn off dark mode on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through the latest update so you can easily switch back to the classic light mode for your Facebook experience. Let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your page profile photo there. Click on your profile photo to open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will expand to reveal more options. Next, click on Settings. This will take you to the main settings page for your Facebook account. Now, look for the option labeled Dark Mode. This is where you can control the appearance of your Facebook page. Click on Dark Mode to open the settings for this feature. Here, you'll see a few different choices: On, Off, and sometimes Use System Settings. To disable dark mode and return to the familiar light appearance, simply select Off. As soon as you choose Off, your Facebook page will instantly switch back to light mode. You'll notice the background and menus change to a brighter, more classic look, making it easier to read and navigate if you prefer a lighter interface. And that's it! You've successfully disabled dark mode on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC. It's a quick and easy process, and you can always return to these settings if you want to make changes in the future. Thanks for watching! If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and updates. See you in the next video!